Perhaps you've noticed on the videos that we've got quite an autumn day here. Getting dark, raining, and then the sun shines again. It's all a bit changing, so I try to adapt with the cameras as much as I can. But we're not here to talk about the weather, although autumn weather is great for these drawings we're doing. We're here to talk about the exercise. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the exercise. I'm going to show you 3 photos. You can do all of them, you can pick, and then practice a little bit with those. All right, let me show you that. So I've got 3 photos for you. Yeah, not this one. We've done this one already. Here's the first one where we have an interesting angle here. So this one is under an angle and this one is straight behind it. So you get actually a nice composition right away. The second one, we're having 2 here that are both a bit under an angle, but also have a little bit of some shapes in it. And then we've got the third one, angle shapes combined. This more shape than angle. So 3 nice challenges. Pick which one you like or do all 3 of them. That would be the best. And then just go with this exercise. What I'm going to do is which one should I pick? Let me pick the last one. I'm going to do this one. I'm going to draw this one. I'm not going to talk you through it, but I'm just going to draw it. And then you can follow that one along. And I'll let you figure out these 2 on your own. That will be a nice challenge. And I'll leave it up to you whether you only want to do the shapes and then shade them. Although, of course, it would look best if you shade them too. I'm going to do the shape of this one, create the angles, do the outlines, but also do some shadow on this one. All right, well, let me do that.